Hello, dear friends. Google. This is not easy. I am not sure if I will do the sticker peeling. One friend would like to see the sticker peeling. Okay, I put the light a little bit. Gosh, perfect. Try if I can do from here. Not easy, but might be doable. Slow. Something not right there. Now it's good. Parfait. That is vacation. You have time to do what makes you happy and feels there is an eternity of time. Feels so good. Tomate, taumade, balai et galette de bon tabac. Bon tabac, c'est Gauguin, the place of Gauguin. Regarde. Oh, ça c'est parfait pour origami, n'est-ce pas? C'est parfait pour origami. J'aime bien les boîtes d'où carré. Et ici, c'est parfaitement carré. Oh, j'adore ça. Bretagne. le souvenir. Ça c'est très fin. Ça c'est épais. Oh, parfait. Je vais compter le numéro. C'est un peu bizarre. C'est très bizarre. C'est 15. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Les Français aussi. 9. Non. 12. Ça va. 12. Ça va. 12 of them. So it's divisible. You can 1 times 12. 2 times 6. 3 times 4. 4 times 3. Yeah, it's doable. In a family of 1 by myself, in a family of 2, me and my family, or in a family of 3, 4. It's a good one. It's a good one. This is a good combination. 6 is a magic number. Suddenly I'm thinking 6 and 12. Yeah, 12 is a magic number. Don't you think so? Les Français sont assez malins, n'est-ce pas? C'est ce que je pensais. C'est ce que j'ai pensé. So 6 and 6, I'm guessing. 1 thin, 1 fat, 2 fat, 2 thin, 3 thin, 4 3 thin, 4 5. Ça c'est un peu pas juste. Oh, 6 and 6. 6 thin one. 6 épais. 6 heavy one. So at most they can put 18. If you have 18 and you have a, oh sorry, if you have 18 and you have a family of 4, which very often time family of 4 is the algorithm or is the form of family, then it will be difficult to divide. This is good. Goodbye. Bye. Bon appetito. I will have my good tea and enjoy it. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Be good.